bakit naka-timeline?
Okay lang yan, pa-hazard, para indication na tinuturuan ko siya.
Ah.
At least nagka-idea ka na natin.
Ano, thank
First
you.
time mo,
Thank
time
you.
mo
Thank
mga-
first time ko na talaga po.
At least nagka-idea ka na, nakadrive ka na eh. Ano, ikaw na yung nagka-drive oh. Okay, pag may sasakyan anong gagawin? Oh. Sige. Go. Masyado kang naka-left. Masyado kang takot sa kanya. Medyo malaki pa yung space, dalawang tao pa. Okay. Tandahan, may naglalakad na matanda, may payong. Talsikan.
Ha?
Dito ka. Dito. Left, left. Doon pa sa unahan pa tayo. Babayan, dapat walay ka sa brake, pababa. Left, left. Masyado ka nakagilid na, nandito na tayo sa pinakagilid. Naka-left ka na kagad.
Sunkist
Gitna mo muna.
version.
Okay, sige pa. Oh, nasobrahan ka naman sa right. Sige, diretso. Pakiramdaman mo. Okay, hop, preno. Pa-left na. Hop. Tapos dahan-dahan pabalik sa dati ha. Oh, yan. Dahan-dahan pabalik sa dati. Gas, hirap na. Hirap na makakiyat. Hindi na nyo na kaya. Kailangan nyo na mag-gas. Gas, gas.
Striking your palm down around the opening rapidly compresses the air, exerting an instantaneous pressure on the water.
Ding 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 ding! My
Dito,
science
dito,
BS meter was going off. We have to
Hello,
slow
break
it down
muna.
nearly 1,000 times
Ha?
the speed.
O, isa
Check
pang
it out.
round.
What happens
Isa
if
pang
you
round.
smack the bottle
Okay,
down
right.
really fast is the bottle moves as
Oh,
fast as
papunta
the
ka na dun.
hammer and
Papunta ka
basically
na dun.
leaves the water behind.
Pakiramdaman mo ate yung ano,
It's
sakyan.
away from water, and the water
Dapat
stays behind
malaman mo kung
because
saan
of
ka
inertia.
papunta.
It's left behind and it creates this low pressure area at the bottom. We filmed at 18,000 frames per second. You can see the cavitation bubbles forming, and then you can see
Okay,
them
turn left.
collapsing. And as soon as they collapse, all the energy at the interface between the vapor
Dahan-dahan mo,
bubble
ha?
and the water gets
Dahan-dahan pabalik sa
concentrated
dati,
into
dahan-dahan
a
pabalik.
single tiny point, causing an enormous spike in pressure and temperature and releasing a